Okay, here we have tangent x times sine x, and we already see that here is the tangent x. Let's write that as sine x over cosine x right away, right? And then here we have the sine x, so let's just put that down. And now, as we can see, we have the sine x right here. This can be multiplied with the sine x because this is the same as sine x over 1. So we will have sine square x, and we'll put that on the top like this. And then this is still over that denominator, which is cosine x. And it seems like we did some work already, right? But this is not one of the answer choices right here. So we have to do a few more things right here. As we can see, we have the sine square x, and there's also an identity for this, sine square x. And let me tell you guys what it is. This right here, it's the same as 1 minus cosine square x, right? Because we know sine square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. Therefore, sine square x is the same as 1 minus cosine square x. And we have the same denominator still, so this is all over that cosine x, like that. And what can we do next? Well, we have two things on the top, right? Two terms. They are separated by this subtraction. That's why we have the first term and also the second term. And we only have one thing on the bottom, just cosine x. When we have one thing on the bottom, we can split the fraction. So we can look at this as 1 over cosine x. And then minus, this is just the same as cosine square x over that cosine x. Okay? And now let's see what we can do right here. Well, for this one, 1 over cosine x, we know we can write this as secant x. Right? That's a definition of secant in this case, right? And for this right here, this is cosine square x over cosine x. You know this is the same as saying cosine x times cosine x, two of them on the top. I can cancel this with one of them. So this is minus that cosine x. And that's what we have. Secant x minus cosine x, which is choice C again. And that's it.